This video is sponsored by Take Surveys for Cash. So basically, are you tired of taking surveys that are only like $1, $2, $3, $5? Well, this is a really great website where you can sign up and they give you access to literally higher paid surveys that are like $100, $200, $500. It really just goes on and on. They can send surveys to your email, or they can give you like a database of surveys to choose from. Even showing there, they had surveys for like $200 and whatnot. They can send it to your PayPal, and a lot of people have been making money independently doing this. It is a really great way to make some extra money online, or to even have a, part time or full time income. So if you are interested in this, please don't hesitate to go and check out the description. Click on the description, it will take you right there. You know, don't stop wasting your time on surveys that are low paying, surveys that are a waste of time. This is a little program. Yes, it costs money. It's $40. However, you spend $40, you take a survey that is higher paid, like $100 or $200 eventually, then you've made your money right back. So it's literally an investment of $40. And lots of people have come to me with their success stories about how this has helped them. So I hope that you guys can find some help with this. Once again, the link is in the description. And thank you for watching. Let's get back to the video.
Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to tell you about this really cool app you can download on your phone called Dosh. You can find it on the App Store, which is iPhone, or Google Play, which is Android. Check out the link in the description to get a code that you can enter in when you sign up. And then once you enter your credit card, this is completely confidential. This is not anything that's a scam or anything like that. You enter your card, and then you'll start to get an extra bonus for the cash back purchases that you do. So definitely make sure to try that out so you can get bonus the money. But anyway, all this is because I use this all the time. You connect your card to it and go shopping as if you normally would, and you get cash back for it. You can get like really good cash back. This is the best cash back website that you will find. So that's why I wanted to recommend this to you guys. This really isn't even sponsored. This is just, you know, so you can get $13 cash back. You can get, it'll send you a notification on your phone to how much money you can get cash back and all of that stuff. Some people can get some crazy amount of money even in a month's time. So definitely make sure you check it out, because this is not something to sleep on. It works with fast food places, grocery stores, online stores. Now, hotels, if you decide to go traveling and decide to get a hotel or something, this is absolutely perfect to use for that, because you can get a ton of cash back. You can get like hundreds of dollars. So definitely don't sleep on that if you do happen to travel. But yeah, it's just things like that. I wanted to recommend you guys something really cool. And yeah, so like I said, check out the link in the description. Download Dosh, enter the code that is in the description, and then connect your card, your debit card or whatever. Start making purchases, and you will see how much cash back you will get. It will be more than average. It'll be more than if you didn't enter the code. So definitely try this out, you guys, and let me know what you think. And yeah, because a lot of people have already told me about, I've been seeing the people who have been signing up, and people have been telling me about how great this is. So I just wanted to pass this along to you guys, and that's basically all. So I will see you guys in my next video.